Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at steps to download the Windows 11 ISO file directly from the Microsoft Support website. In previous releases, you needed to use workarounds to download the ISO file to install Windows 11 without the media creation tool. But now, Microsoft added an easy way to download the ISO file directly from the official Windows 11 download page. And on this video, we're going to look how to do this. First, you need to open the official Windows 11 download page. I will be leaving a link in the video description to this page and also to the written instructions so you can follow along with the video. Under the Download Windows 11 Disk Image section, select the Windows 11 option and then click the Download button. Select the product language, in this case English, and then click the Confirm button. And then the only thing you need to do is to click the 64-bit download button. Now save the file to your computer. And now the download will begin. I don't know if you can see, but the download is about 5.1 gigabytes. Once the download completes, you can use the file to install Windows 11 in a virtual machine, or you can use it to create a bootable media to perform an in-place upgrade or clean installation. And that's it. That's how you download the Windows 11 ISO file without having to use the media creation tool. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.